Welcome everybody back to another video. Today we're going to be asking this one sole question. Can you play Hendrix on a Strat wannabe? Let's find out. For the one sole question today, we're going to be trying to play some Hendrix on this. This is going to be a really short video because I only know like 2 intro riffs for Hendrix, and I'm going to be trying to get that tone just right. So I'm going to be playing Voodoo Child, or at least the intro to it, and Purple Haze. Sorry if I mess up on Voodoo Child, I actually taught it to myself this morning, so I don't know how I did it though. I just taught it, I started yesterday night, I had like 2 or 3 more loads, and then I taught myself the rest of it this morning. I also taught myself that. But we are going to be finding out if you can play Hendrix on a wannabe Strat, such as this line. Has the same body and it has a cutaway like everywhere. You know, the cutaway here slants down. Same, you know, like pick guard to me. We're gonna be figuring that out. So yeah. So yeah, let's get ready to play some Hendrix and see if it works out. So first one's Voodoo Child. I'm going to be trying to get the tone right on each of these, so. Honestly, I think I could go with a little less tone. I can do that. That sounds cool. I'm going to start that. Start each of these down to like. Down, down. I don't want to turn it too far. We're literally down at like in between the 1 and 2. Sorry, it's going all the way down. I think this sounds pretty cool. Diminished with a wall-off pedal. Now let's play it down here so you can get that effect. Pick dropped out of my hand. I actually kind of like that, but we're going to turn the tone up a little more on it. More? That sounds better because it has almost that twang and it's just on the. That sounds good. Very, very good. Because it has that twang and the diminished. It has that full note and it's diminished, which honestly gives it that awesome feel to me. I'm in socks. What is that thing right there? I don't know. Okay, but next song we're going to go to is Purple Haze. It's going to be like the quickest video ever, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minute video. Now I was going to go to Purple Haze and see if we can do it. I've heard a lot of people do it like completely diminished like this. Well, not completely, but not too much neither. So. play this one back here. So that was pretty much it, because I like that. Honestly, so we're gonna go to another Strat. Want to be my Rogue Rocketeer, which I was gonna do a jam session with all my guitars. Now we're gonna get the starting one. So I'll see you guys. I just threw my cable on the floor. Ada! The Rogue Rocketeer. We're gonna not waste our time. We're only do the other one. The new one for me. Tone down. Good for black and black. Thank you guys for watching this video. That was like the best video ever. I enjoyed making this for you guys. Now I'm gonna be doing a lot of bands, like one every Thursday or something like that. Like I'm gonna do a band every Thursday. I'm gonna see, okay, what tone makes this sound like it, or what does this to make it sound like it if you have this certain guitar. in the video. I really enjoyed it, making it. I love these guitar videos because it lets me, you know, show my passion for guitar. And it really just lets me innovate with you guys and connect with you guys in a musical way, which is also good if I'm a gaming channel, because I also get connected with you in just musical way, not in any, you know, like gaming communities all the time. So I'm also a gaming and music channel, mostly a music channel now. But yeah, I look forward to another one of these every Thursday. So yeah, I'm see you guys out. This is the how to sound like Jimi Hendrix on a, or can you sound like Jimi Hendrix on a wannabe Strat?